Okay, let's make an Instagram Reels video using Canva. It's a free online tool that lets you use all these templates and things for you. To do this, type in Instagram Reels video, choose it, and over here you have a bunch of templates. For example, I will click this free one over here, and to change the background, click over here on the background, and you can see you see these colors. So for example, move from the red to blue, for example. Okay, to change the text, click over here, follow me. You can leave this as it is, change the name. To change the video, click more over here, click videos, and for example, you can change the face, drop it inside, and you have the Instagram Reels video. Just click here, download, MP4 format, download and upload to your Instagram.